Value is a simple function that converts a string to a number. It accepts different representations of numbers, and they are all converted into the respective number. You can use it with regular numbers or with date and time. Let's see that with an example. Here I'm using value passing a string, and the first string is just 1, 2, 3, that is a number. And you see that we have the result, the header, the value as computed here, and the value converted by int, which is 1, 2, 3. You can pass decimal places, you can use scientific notation either with positive or negative power for the raising. And you can also use it with dates and time. Keep in mind, date and time are basically numbers. So value can convert a string to a number, and if it is a date, what you see right now in the screen is the numeric representation of the date. So 2020-10-23 is the 23rd of October 2020, which is represented here, but date 1 actually shows 44127, which is the number that represents that actual date. And the same for time. Look at time 2 is a value of 18:05:00, which is 6:05 p.m. You can use both the 24 hours or the PM AM format, and both are converted into the corresponding number. Time 2 is 6:05 p.m., which is represented in DAX as 0.75.